Hey guys, I just want to take a moment and show you how to complete your assignment today. When you download the PowerPoint, the first thing you need to do is leave it in the edit mode like this. So your screen should look exactly like this when you're working on it. You are going to go through the PowerPoint slide by slide, and it says Westward Expansion, Georgia. This is the last two elements of your standards before you take the unit test. So describe the role of William McIntosh in the removal of the Creeks from Georgia, and analyze how key people like John Ross, John Marshall, and Andrew Jackson, and the events like the Dahlonega Gold Rush and Worcester versus Georgia led to the removal of the Cherokees from Georgia, known as the Trail of Tears. And you will go through this slide by slide. So the first thing you need to do is read the first slide. Once you're done reading the first slide, go to the second slide. Read about William McIntosh, and then you can see a star here. It says watch a video by clicking on the image. So if you put your pointer over on the image and you click, you should get a highlight. It should highlight a video. Hold on. It worked while ago. Let's do it in, quickly put it in slideshow view, play from the current slide, and you can click the video and it will pop up. Okay. It should also click a link. Instead of doing that, you should be able to do it by clicking a link, but you'll scroll down and you'll watch the video on William McIntosh. That's right here. Okay. I'm going to exit back out of that view, back into my edit mode, and then the next slide, it says answer the questions below using the previous information and the video. Type your answers. So describe the Creek idea of land ownership. I'm going to click here and I can just type letters just like this and it will put my answer in there. You're going to do this for each question. Now, if you need to go back to look at the slide, feel free to go back. You'll go on to the next slide. This is the Cherokee Indians. It says watch a video about the Cherokee Indians attempt at keeping their land on Georgia or in Georgia. Again, to get the video to pop up, I'm going to click slideshow on my computer, play for the current slide, and I'm going to click the image of the state of Georgia, and it's going to pull up the video for me. Again, there's the video. I'll exit out of that, and I will answer the questions below using the previous information in the video, and you're going to type your answers. Again, there's a video here. I'm just looking. So this should show up automatically. So slideshow. I'm going to do a slideshow, play from slide. I'm going to click the picture and my video is going to come up when the internet connects. There we go. Video comes up. Video on John Ross. Oops, sorry, I did not mean to do that. I will exit back out of this and go to the next slide. Again, anytime there is a video that you need to play, I would click slideshow. And then I would click play from current slide. And I would click the image. And the video will pop up. Okay. To get out, I hit escape. It goes back. When I get to this slide, it says read all the information here. I can click on the word here, right click on it, go down to hyperlink and click open hyperlink. It will pull that up. Or I can do it like I have been doing with the pictures. I can hit slideshow, play from current slide, and then click the hyperlink. I'll read all that information, and then it says drag the tiles to what is being described. So I will take this tile and I will drag it to wherever the answer is at, okay? So when it's finished, you should have all of these filled. And then this is a unit review. It says drag the color tiles to the description. So again, I'm going to look which one describes John Ross. And I'm just going to grab the color tiles and put it over the description. If you have any questions about this, please email me, okay?